the Power Fist Princess Auto Mini Bilge Pump. Princess Auto part number 4270013. There she is. Also seems to have a part number CK-181DC. This was manufactured 0516, looks like. Made in Taiwan. So for perspective, there's my hand. I do have a pretty big hand, so just for relativity. Anyway, so this is a new one. I'm not going to use it yet. I just wanted to show my setup. So here's the old one. The bottom of the bilge, lower than the original bilge pump, which cannot collect the water that's down there. I just finished pressure spraying and washing at the bilge a little bit, so obviously there's water in there. Normally I would grab a shop vac, but I'm tired of taking the shop vac in and out, and I wanted a more permanent, easy to access, regular way to handle this. So all I'm doing is running the wires that came with the bilge pump, and I'm going to take the positive. I'm going to jam it in here. So I pulled out the negative doing that. I can get this to work. Bit of a stretch. And sorry for the shakiness, but it's a tight engine bay. I don't know if you can hear it buzzing away, but it is quite rapidly draining what's left in the bilge. Now occasionally there are some chunks floating around in there. See that? It might clog up the intake a little bit, but it tends to pass things through. Let's see if we can watch that. Water is pouring into this overflow. You can see the occasional chunk. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but I am seeing little chunks fly through there. Oh, there goes a couple more. Did you see that? All right. Let's go back in here and take a look. So in this short while, the bilge is down about halfway from where it was when we started. The pump is only about, I think it's about $25 and goes on sale often. Princess Auto. It's making a little whirlpool effect. It's drawing so quickly. We're picking up some air. So I saw a couple of reviews where people ordered it, didn't realize in perspective the size of it, because the photo on the website could be a full-size bilge pump or sub pump. But for this application, ooh, that's a lot of garbage it's picking up right now. Sucking up some water, sucking up some air, sucking up chunks. I usually have to shake it off and clean it at least once during this operation. But it looks like it's working very cooperatively for the video. There's still water slowly running down from forward down to the bilge. You can see that down the side. There's too many lines. Water is still slowly making its way down there. But I got to tell you, that was a lot easier than pulling out the shop vac and dragging it around and dumping it out again. So it's pretty much done what I can do. Often I'll be spraying the hose as the pump's running and cleaning, and I'll just pop that terminal on. There we go. One of these days I'll wire a switch up to it. But then again, I'm already in the engine bay when I'm doing this, so it's not a big deal just to connect that little wire straight to the battery for this purpose. And I got it zip tied in place. I'm going to leave it there and use it forever, as long as I own this boat anyway. So that's a little marine tip for you. Very simple $25 pump, keeping your bilge drier anyway, especially when you're cleaning it and washing it. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch for more videos. Have a great day.